Are you looking for the best RC drones with camera in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RC drones with camera that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the most popular drone models on the market because of its compact size and a large array of intelligent features. With a professional-grade camera from Swedish camera manufacturer Hasselblad, the 1-inch CMOS sensor, Hasselblad camera offers 20-megapixel photography with enhanced HDR and color sensitivity. The Mavic 2 Pro may be small, but it is perfect for professional photographers, videographers, and content creators, just to name a few. Its portable design makes it an essential companion for travel bloggers, documentary compilers, and commercial drone pilots in any industry. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing can sense obstacles from 5 directions: forward, backward, downward, left, right. Plus, it's equipped with upgraded versions of Active Track, Waypoint, and Point of Interest modes, so professional photographers and videographers never have to place a cap on their creativity. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Autel Evo II Series. With a price point starting just under $1,500, the newly released Autel Evo II Series is a serious contender in the increasingly competitive foldable drone segment. The Autel Evo II drones pack some serious hardware under their bright orange shells. With 40 minutes of flight time, it also has the longest flight time of any prosumer drone offered on the market. A unique feature with the Evo II is the ability to change out the gimbal payload. It can be equipped with an 8K sensor, 6K Pro sensor, or a dual sensor that combines an 8K sensor with a thermal sensor. The ability to alternate sensors is unheard of in the prosumer drone market. With 12 advanced omnidirectional computer vision sensors, the drone can easily navigate the most challenging environments while focusing on the task. At number 3, we have the DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 combines ease of flight with long battery life and a camera that can shoot 4K video in a package that costs less than $1,000. The Mavic Air 2's ability to sense and avoid obstacles approaching from the front, the back, and below, as well as to steadily hold its position even in moderate winds. DJI says it's safe to fly in winds up to 23.6 miles per hour, lets you focus on your cinematography instead of worrying about keeping the drone steady. It also features DJI smart flight modes such as Active Track, which directs the drone to autonomously follow and film a subject while still avoiding obstacles. Its 34-minute battery life means you don't have to land for a battery swap as often as you would with the competition, and at 7 by 3.8 by 3.3 inches folded and 1.3 pounds, the Mavic Air 2 can go with you almost anywhere. At number 2, we have the Ruko B7 4K drone. The Ruko B7 drone proves that you do not have to drop thousands of dollars for a great drone. It features a unique dual-camera system with a 4K front camera and a 1080p camera on the bottom of the drone, which is unheard of at this price point. The included Follow Me modes and gesture control allows you to capture cinematic footage or even capture a selfie. Enjoy up to 36 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent flight batteries. The rugged design of the Ruko B7 and its optical flow positioning system ensures a stable and safe flight experience. The ease of operation and the number of robust features make this the perfect drone for beginner drone pilots. And finally, at number 1, we have the U49W FFPV camera drone. The U49W FFPV camera drone boasts altitude hold and a first-person view (FPV) screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It also comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and an outstanding 720p camera for clear HD pictures and live video. Add to that its impressively long flight time of 25 minutes with the extra battery, and you're looking at a great drone for beginners or intermediate pilots, for that matter, at an inexpensive price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.